Just when I think I've learned it all, I see your face and down I fall. I can't explain, so let's pretend.
Hi guys! So I hope that you're all doing well, and I just want to open up through this vlog because I've been feeling like major downhill lately, and I don't know, I just feel like na-build up na yung anxiety ko with myself, with everything that is happening, ganyan. And ayun, I just want to be very vocal about it because it is a normal thing that is happening, especially with everyone. And gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na valid yung mga nafe-feel nyo, and it's okay to feel down, and it's okay to feel things, diba? Kasi nga, especially, pag may mga times na when we invalidate our feelings, parang we tend to boil everything, na parang naiipon siya, and minsan parang bigla na lang tayo sasabog, parang garan. Ewan ko, parang I've been feeling a bit restless for the past few days na even if I sleep for at least 8 hours a day, I still feel tired, and I don't know why. Maybe because I've been busy with work, and also with weekends, I have like freelance work, ganyan. So, kayod-kayod din tayo, diba? So, ewan ko, parang siguro I didn't have the time to rest, and at the same time, when I do have the time to rest, parang I feel very tired and I can't seem to function and be productive. Like, for example, when I edit vlogs and all that, ganon. So, parang feeling ko na wala na akong time with those kasi nga, I'm just tired all the time as much as I want to be productive, ganon. So, ewan ko, do you guys feel that way as well? Kasi, hindi ko na alam. I've been feeling really down lately. Also, parang feeling ko lang na yung utak ko wala talaga sa ulo ko. Parang ganun. And I've been feeling parang very unlucky lately. Parang may mga nababasag, may mga nangyayari and all. Parang kailangan ko mag-alay na itlog, mag-something para lang ma-turn around yung bad juju ko. Oh my gosh. Some of you guys are telling me na parang, oh, Cocoy, how do you keep yourself motivated all the time? Na parang happy ka lagi and full of energy, ganon. And the answer is, I'm not, and I don't feel that way 100%. Yes, I do have moments na I'm very positive and all, pero parang gusto ko rin ipakita tong side na to na it's okay to feel down and to feel unmotivated at times, and that's just life, up and down, ganon. What? Oh my gosh, guys! So it's here! This is my new mirror! Oh, sobrang laki. Parang hindi ko in-expect na ganyan siya kalapad. Pero, wala tayong magawa. For reference, this is the cabinet. And then yan, yung buong yan. Ang laki. This is 3 feet by 5 feet. So, you guys know na nauso yung frameless art na shape, ganon. And then, I also like that, but I just wanted something na different and kakaiba yung shape. So, I went with this egg shape type. So, ayan siya. This is the setup. I have my plants over there because plantita life. And I just really feel like it looks like a jungle vibes, ganon. So, my room is slowly being put together. Parang ganon. So, ayan. Sobrang cute because it really opened up the room and yung reflection niya talaga with all the greeneries and all sa likod. And then, I'm also going to be putting here yung floating shelves. Ayan. Tada! I am also finally done with this project. This is also the first time that I did this all on my own, like the design. So, ano lang siya, freehand lang siya. And, ayan, I really love the outcome, even if hindi siya sobrang clean and all. So, this is the back situation. But, yeah, I really liked it and really happy. And I'm going to frame this just like how I did it there. Parang ganyan siya. Gumagalaw. Oh my gosh, guys. Kwento time. Oh, sobrang walas talaga. Feeling ko talaga, ano kami. Ano yung term na nun? Kinurse kami ng kamalasan lately. That is because yesterday, meron kaming pot. Parang may lalagyan siyang thingy. Tapos nalaglag. Tapos nabasag. Nakabasag ako kahapon. And then kanina, while I was doing the dishes, dumulas yung isang bowl sa kamay ko. And nabasag siya ulit. Tapos si Ahia, parang may ginawa siya dito sa room namin. Tapos, nahila niya yung plant and nabasag siya, yung bote na yun. And also, si Ati, kahapon, nung nag-supermarket sila, or the other day, dumulas yung milk tea niya, tapos natapon. So, parang, oh my God! Parang hindi ko alam. Parang kailangan talaga namin mag-rain dance or whatsoever para lang ma-cleanse yung bad juju namin. Anyway, so this is the setup right now because is it even a Cocoy vlog without a mini Shopee haul? So, I've ordered this during the 2-2 sale ng Shopee. And sobrang konti lang naman. Usually kasi ang tendency when I buy sa Shopee or sa sale ng Shopee, that is because I want to avail their minimum spend. No minimum spend. Kasi usually, kunwari, for example, itong Bluetooth na shutter, 45 pesos lang siya. So, usually, may minimum order of like 100, 200, 500 pesos, ganun. So, dun ko sinusulit. So, I just want to share with you guys 5 items. Konti lang naman siya. And, where do we start? Sige. So, speaking of camera shutter, so, I got this sa Shopee lang din. Bluetooth shutter thingy siya. We used to have this along with the, ano yun yung parang monopod thingy. Pero wala, hindi na namin mahanap. So, you just Bluetooth, connect this sa Bluetooth sa phone. And then, when you click it, para lang kapag magte-take ng selfies and all that, ganun. So, mura lang din naman. So, I tried it na. Try natin i-connect ngayon sa Bluetooth. So, you just open it here sa side and then magbiblink siya. Let us try. Ayan. Ayan na. Diba? Ayan. Bakit ko? Anyway, so meaning, yay, gumagana siya, which is perfect. Let's turn this off. So, next one is content creation related pa rin. So, this one is a large size na Gorilla Pod. Before kasi, I used to have this, pero yung small lang, which is not sturdy at all. Parang kapag nilagay ko yung camera ko, parang konting tap mo lang, malalaglag na siya. So, I got the large size. Parang yung mga nakita ko sa review is that para sabi nila na hindi kasya yung camera nila when they put this on. But then the thing is, you have to remove this large thingy para mag-fit yung smaller camera mo. Very sturdy siya, and I can also just adjust it to have my desired length or like desired height for my camera. Yon. Kasi I used to have this one. Ito siya. So, dito kasi, hindi ko na siya ma-adjust yung height niya. So, tendency, ganyan lang talaga siya. So, minsan kasi you want a specific position for the camera view thingy. Gets you, Okay, so if you guys seen my Decorate With Me vlog, I've shared there na in a part of our room, I wanted to add vines and plants para lang since medyo bare looking kasi siya. So, this one, ito na siya. Dumating na siya from Shopee. So, these are fake vines lang. Ayan. So, syempre, lakas maka-aesthetic. The reason why I bought fake ones instead of the real one as much as possible na, as much as I wanted na real ones. That is because hindi masyado na aarawan doon. So, baka lang mamatay din yung plants. Papakita ko naman sa inyo mamaya kapag ilalagay ko na siya. So, I got 2 designs. So, this one, I think parang photos yung design niya. Ayan. So, syempre pag malapit, it really looks fake. But then, pag malayo na, for sure, hindi naman na. And then, next one would be this design. Parang medyo may angles thingy. Ayan. So, I just got a total of 6. Ayan. So, ito lahat ng mga gamit ko. And, syempre, with a tote bag, it tends to get too cluttery. Ay, may police. Or ambulansya. So, I just got this felt bag organizer. If you've watched my what's in my bag, I've shared there na meron akong organizer. But then, yun kasi medyo flimsy siya. And kulang yung mga gamit na malalagay ko doon. So, I just got this one kasi this is more structured. So, it's perfect na pwede mong malagay lahat ng mga gamit mo. And then, also in the middle, it comes with this parang may velcro thingy. Ito siya. Pwede mo siyang i-velcro sa middle. Iyan. So, lastly, syempre, Valentine's Day is coming up and I've thought na of buying this for JL. That is because, recently kasi, nag-send siya sa akin na bumili na daw siya ng album ni Ed Sheeran. Tapos, tinanong ko siya, meron ka bang CD player or like sa PC or whatever, ganun. Tapos, sabi niya, wala. So, parang isip ko sayang naman na hindi niya magagamit yung CD, diba? So, what I got him is this one. So, I'm sure naman na nakikita nyo na to all over Shopee or like mga bumibili ng mga tao. This one, this is a CD player. I just chose the color white. Meron din siyang black. I think pink din meron. It has a USB cable so you can saksak it, napakon nyo. Tapos lalagay mo lang yung CD and then you just have to pull this tab, ganyan, para mag-open siya. And then you can use the CD. You can also use the FM radio, and then third one, you can just connect it through your Bluetooth. So, pwede sa phone, pwede na siya mag-play. And when I tried playing it, maganda din yung sound quality niya, which is perfect. Ayan, tapos may mga buttons here sa taas. I think this is one of the cheapest one that I found na, para mga 1.6. Kasi usually when I see sa mga resellers, they tend to go higher pa. And then, it also came with a remote control. Ito din pala, may adapter siya, which is perfect. Aux cord. You can also drill it to the wall. Also came with a stand. So, I am done untangling these vines. For reference, ganyan siya kahaba. Yun. Okay. Anong hindi kaya? So, this is the final outcome. But I think parang medyo may kulang. So, I'm going to try to put it ng parang pa-downwards lang. And then, on this side lang. Tada! So, it's better now. So, I just decided to do like a vine na pababa instead of like that. And yeah, sabi si JL kasi nag-suggest sa akin na ganito na lang gawin. And it looks so much better now. Yay! Hehehe. OMG guys. Kasi nakakatawa. Si JL, parang nagsabi siya na gusto niya ng mini stop chicken. Tapos nag-crave ako. Tapos nag-order kami ni Akya. Son-son-son. Then, meron din siyang gravy. Hi guys! So, time check. It's currently 12:27 AM already. And nag-edit lang ako ng vlog right now because this week, wala pa ako napopost. So, I'm trying my best to post early next week. And, ayun. Kanina din, while eating mini stop chicken, I'm watching Bon Voyage. Season 1 pa lang ako. If you guys don't know, that's a show by BTS. And sobrang funny lang. Kasi, ewan ko, nakakatawa lang na nawawala lahat ng mga gamit nila throughout the trip and all. So, ayun. I'm really enjoying that. And if you've seen in my recent vlog, I shared there na I'm watching Startup. Pero, hindi ko pa siya tinatapos. Kasi I'm watching Bon Voyage. And anyway, I think I'm about to end the vlog here. And I just want to say thank you for spending this Sunday with me, this day with me. I hope that you guys enjoy. And ayun, if ever na you are feeling down, just like I'm feeling, just know that things will get better, better days will come. And I guess this is just the downtime for us. Before I end this vlog, I just want to do a quick shout out to Reen, at Maria Drama Queen, and also yung boyfriend niya daw, kasi nanood daw sila sabay ng vlogs ko minsan. So sobrang cute. Thank you so much guys for watching and for being part of the community. So ayan, thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope that you guys have a great week ahead. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye. Good night.
Is there something after there's nothing?